Okay, hi. So today we're going to be working on the graphing page. If you are not, if in your packet your work graphing page does not look like this, then you can refer to the other video. There are two versions of the graphing page. So let me actually zoom in a little bit on the work. All right, so the first question asks, or the first direction says, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. So over here is the last column. Number 2, answer the questions about the graph. So first we'll complete the column. The words we're looking at and the icons we're looking at are teacher, school, test, home, and month. So let's first look at how many teacher icons we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Um, Feel free to pause so that you can complete your work and so that I'm not going too fast and you can work at your own pace. The second word is school. School has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Test has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to put 6. Home has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 icons. Home. Put 4. And our last word is month. It's the month of April. And that has just 1. So just to review, teacher has 7 icons, school has 4 icons, test has 6 icons, home has 4 icons, and month has 1 icon. So now we're going to answer these questions that are related to this graph. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? So we're looking for the word with the most. The teacher, school, test, home, or month. Which one has the most? The answer is teacher. Teacher has 7. It has the most. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Fewest. The answer is month. I'm sorry. Month. Because month only has 1 symbol. Number 3, what is the highest number? The highest. So we're going to look at this column and find the highest number. Our highest number is the teacher, so that's number 7. Number 4 asks, what is the lowest number? The lowest number is number 1. Do any words have the same number? Are any of these numbers the same? So we have number 7, 4, 6, 4, 1. Are any of those the same? Yes, 4 and 4 are the same. This one, number 6, says, are there more home symbols or month symbols? So we have home symbols or month symbols. Which one has more? Home. Home has more because home has 4, month only has 1. Number 7 asks, how many more test symbols are there than school symbols? So this is test and this is school. So for test, we're going to put test has 6. In school, here, has 4. So 6 minus 4. We have 6. We're going to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have how many left? 1, 2. There you go.